Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Start by preparing the watch and your phone for a reset process. Charge the watch to at least 50% to avoid interruptions. Make sure your phone and watch remain close during setup and pairing steps. Open the companion app on your phone and look for backup or sync option. Export your health data, contacts, and messages to the cloud or to a computer. Unpair the watch from the phone to trigger a local backup when available. Write down account credentials you will need to re-authenticate after resetting. If the watch is responsive, start with a soft restart through settings. Navigate to System or General and choose Restart or Power Off. Wait 15 to 30 seconds after powering down before turning the device back on. If the device is frozen, perform a forced restart by holding the side button. Hold that button continuously for about 10 seconds until the logo appears. Forced restarts do not erase personal data, but they clear temporary system faults. Use forced restarts only when you need a full factory, reset open settings, and look for reset. Choose Erase all content and settings to wipe the device completely. Confirm the action and enter any device passcode or account password required. If you cannot access settings, use the companion phone app to unpair and erase remotely. For some models, hold both side buttons while connecting to power to trigger recovery mode. After the reset, repair the watch to your phone and restore the most recent backup. Reinstall apps and verify health and notification settings after restoring.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.